Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, stability control, convertible soft top, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, traction control, variable speed, intermittent wipers, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.